What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smitty here. I'm doing that head bobba thing again. Okay, so we're back working on this 4L80E. We got on the last video, we put the pistons and everything, got the springs in and stuff, so got the little stuff together. So now what we're doing is we're gonna put together the actual clutch packs, which there you go. That mess we're gonna combine into sub-assemblies and get it to the point where they'll be ready to stick in the case. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to smash that like button. It's the one with the thumbs up. There's a subscribe button right down there at the bottom too. Smash that dude if you would, please. That way, and then there's a notification bell. Turn that on so you get all notifications. Anyway, so I'm going to set you up on a tripod here and we'll get to assembling this stuff. So thanks again for coming by and enjoy the content. Alright, so we're just going to pick one here. I guess we'll start with the direct. So move this stuff all over to the side here. Alright, so the direct is one that's got the sprag on the bottom side. So we're going to flip it over, we're going to put the sprag on. That on there, then this ring goes on. And then you've got this funky looking retainer that is like a wave lock for a piston. You see it, it's kind of pieces like that. So that's what goes on there. And the way you put that dude on is you start one corner of it. They call it a spiral lock is what they call it. Make sure to get that all the way down in there. Kind of start that down in that groove and kind of walk it around. Like that. And that dude's on there. So once you got that, okay, so on this sprag here, you need to make sure that this thing should not rotate counterclockwise. In other words, as I got the drum, it shouldn't rotate this way. It should rotate clockwise. So if it does rotate that way, then you've got it upside down. And see, it's upside down. So you pull your retainer back out, get underneath of it and kind of walk it off. Take your ring off here, just pull this up and flip it over. Don't forget your washer there. Just being stubborn. There we go. Alright, put your ring back on there and walk your spiral lock back on. Actually make a nifty tool to put the spiral lock on, but it works just the same. Get it in the groove and walk it around. Looks like that. Okay, doesn't rotate counterclockwise, but rotates clockwise. So that's good to go. Alright. Flip it over. Get your wave. Goes down in there. And remember, these are two different sizes on the steels. They make a 92 thousandths and they make a 78 thousandths. The 92 goes in your direct housing. So I'm gonna let this drip in this housing. Put a steel in on top of your waved. Fiber. Steel. Fiber. Steel. Fiber. Steel. Fiber. Steel. Fiber, and then your pressure plate. Beautiful. Get your turn spring or clutch spring. There you go. There's that one. Okay, so next is our Ford. There's nothing to do on the bottom side of the Ford because it goes in a planetary set. So same thing, grab your steel, put your wave plate, I'm sorry, I called it a steel. Put your wave plate in there, put your steel. Again, I'm gonna let it drip all over here, so put your fiber in there. I like to put our hub in there. Don't forget your thrust washer. Like that. Steel. Oh, come on. There we go. Put your fiber. And the reason why I want to put the hub in there is it makes the clutches easier to line up. Just alternate. And then last but not least is your pressure plate here. And there you go. Now there is a thrust washer that goes on top of here, and I'm not going to worry about it now because obviously we still got to put the rest of it together. So alright, so that's two of them down. Metal splinters suck, y'all, I can just tell you that. Alright, let's do our overrun. So this one's got your little overrun sprag. And And it just basically sits right down on here. Flip it over. It does only go on one way. Like that. Okay. This one I didn't re-soak the clutches because, I mean, they're still soaked from being in there. So you get your bottom plate. That in there. Then fiber. Steel. Fiber. Steel. Fiber. And your pressure plate. And your retainer ring. Then you get this dude here, and this has already got a bearing in it, so this just sits down over this sprag. So kind of gently get it in there. This one will take a little finesse because you get a sprag and you get your clutches. There you go. Get your clutches in there that you got to get lined up together. So that's all there is to that one for now. So what we need to do now is we need to put together our input shaft. You got your torque converter seal here. You get your two seals here, and you get your two seals here. And then this little spring clip holds everything together. So grab your packages here of your hard seals, and you'll need the 4 white ones. Got 2 big ones and 2 little ones. Alright, now we're going to do the big ones first. The easiest way to do that is put that shaft right there in that holder. This is a 3 setting. It's got a 1, 2, and a 3. So let's set up on the number 1. Just take and slide your seal down in there. Like that. There's a sizer in this kit. Should be that one right there. Do your four finger type deal and kind of squish that seal into the groove far enough that you can get the sizer over it. There you go, kind of like that. They do make a pusher too. This is the pusher for that. For those seals. Alright, pop that off. Now you're going to be set up on number 2. That's the only thing I don't like about the pushers. It's really easy to go past it. Size that dude a little bit with your fingers. Put your installer or your sizer on there. And it went, so just like that. Alright. So we'll leave that on there because this won't flip over, obviously. I would need the torque converter to actually do it the other way. Alright, so for our other side, we've got this little sizer kit. Same thing, it's got a 1 and a 2. Like that. Put your seal on there, your pusher. That. Fingers in there, get it smushed a little bit. And you put your sizer on there. Alright. Again, it's really easy to push that seal past the rings, past your groove. And like that. Throw your sizer on there. Oh, let's see if it's not ready yet. You can actually push that thing out of there. Once you've got it that way, then flip your sizer over. And that's it for that. Okay, now to put this together, this will come up through this housing here till you come out the other side for your snap ring. There we go. So that's together. Alright y'all, so that's going to end it for this one. As you see, we got the housings put together and the clutches and got all that stuff good to go. So looks like on the next one we'll be starting to reassemble the case. So if you liked the content that you've seen, make sure to hit that thumbs up, the like button. There's a subscribe button right there down there next to it. Smash that dude if you would, please. Share it with your friends. Make sure to leave me a comment. The more you interact with the video, the better off the video does. That's how it works. The likes really help quite a bit too. Anyway, hey, again, I can't thank you all enough for staying with the channel and trying to learn something. I hope you learned something anyway. But anyway, until next time, make sure to take care of yourself. Take care of each other. God bless you, and God bless America. See you next one, y'all. Bye-bye.